Now that the U.S. government shutdown is over, the inevitable stories begin to come out asking what was the actual fallout. In the field of science, experts say we may not know for years. Gaps in studies and statistical analysis could be devastating, but we just don't know yet. The cuts hit everywhere, from NASA, where Live Science reports less than 4% of staff stayed at work, to cancer studies or research teams in Antarctica. Thursday morning, local TV stations across the country showed workers returning to government labs, like the CDC in Atlanta, where scientists now go back to preparing for flu season.
This facility had been working on a skeleton crew ever since the shutdown started a couple of weeks ago. Now those researchers and scientists can resume the work of trying to stay ahead of the next outbreak.
Politico reports some in the industry worry the U.S. can't keep the best and brightest researchers from leaving for the private sector as long as shutdown and therefore paycheck and research threats continue. The executive director at the American Public Health Association asked Politico, would you go work for someone where the funding is squishy? USDA researchers in Ames, Iowa told reporters they wanted to volunteer to keep their projects going even while worrying about pay.
I think to say that the last 3 weeks have been stressful would be an understatement.
Politico notes of the 5 researchers working for the federal government with Nobel Prizes to their names, 4 were furloughed during the shutdown. For Newsy, I'm Cliff Judy.